With the current security threats going on all over the world, it is important that you keep a lot of security measures, and that is what we are going to see how to get it done. If you find yourself in any form of security threat, this is how you can use your smartphone to send an emergency alert to people on your contact list. This is called Emergency SOS, and you don't need to open your phone to get this done. And it's both available on Android and also on iPhone. So when you go to your settings, so you're going to search up Emergency SOS, all right? Then it's going to pop up. Then you're going to see Emergency SOS. Select it and then turn on the first one that says Emergency SOS. So the next one is the emergency contact, where you're going to be adding the numbers of those people that you would want to alert immediately that you find yourself or get yourself in trouble. So the next one is send call history. So what this is going to do is it's going to send your call history to those people of your call history in the last 1 hour to those people on your contact list. Now this is how it's going to work. So for instance, that you found yourself in trouble, all right, and of course they might start collecting your phone, but because before you do this, you're just going to bring out your phone and tap on the power buttons 5 times, and immediately this is done, all right, quickly, you need to do this quickly. Immediately this is done, your phone is going to send emergency alerts to all of those people on your contact list, where it's going to be sending, what it's going to be sending are your last 1 hour call history and also your whereabouts, that is your location. So this is what it's going to do. Share this information or share this video with your friends and family to keep them aware of security conscious wherever they may be.
Was that video helpful? You might want to watch more tutorial videos on my channel like the one I released recently, and then hit the subscribe button up here and ring the bell so you always be the first to know when I release a fresh video. That is if you want to keep watching videos from me, and of course you want to. My name is Frederick. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.